So guys, today in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa of Mali. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Wikipedia site where we have visa policy of Mali. So this is the location of Mali, and you see the map. So if you're from these countries, you don't need a visa. Okay. So they have also provided the list, like these are the countries. And they have also some restrictions, like for Chad, 3 months, Indonesia, 30 days, Tunisia, 3 months, UAE, 3 months. Okay. These two countries can get visa on arrival, Kenya, Rwanda, and they have refused entry and transit to Syrian nationals. Okay. Visitor statistics, we don't have to go. Now, when it comes to apply for a visa to travel to Mali, you need to find out the nearest embassy or mission where you are. For example, if you're in Canada, you can open this link. It's in Canada. Okay. So this is the official page, and they have said that they are open from 9 hour to 59 to 3, Monday to Friday, except holidays. And they can process all visa applications, like most, of course. We cannot say all. Okay, they have said all. Wow, not exceeding 48 hours. Okay. Condition, like passport should be valid at least 6 months. One visa application form to download. One photo of identity, a letter of invitation, okay, or from your employer in okay, fine. The booking of hotel for tourists, the payment done to payment is by money order bank draft paid in the name of Embassy of Mali. And this is the fee. Single entry visa, 1 month, multiple entry visa, 1 month. So you can select which one. Okay. All right. So you have got the information that what are the documents you need, fee, and how, and this is the application form. That's why it's very important that you look at the consulate or mission, because they may have some different process, different timeline, different mode of payment. So that is quite possible. And this is the form. It's pretty simple. You need to put name, first name here, date of birth, place of birth, nationality, occupation, permanent address, address in Mali, phone number, email, purpose of trip, date of arrival, length of stay, passport details, signature. This space is for official use, so don't worry about this. And that's it. And then you can apply, and you can, and if granted, you can travel. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.